playing glow in the dark slime.
Yay!
Yay! Big fun! Oh.
Let's put this in first.
Put the glue in.
Look at Chloe.
Oh.
What? Oh.
Ew, that's so good. Big fun!
Yeah, pour it in.
Mommy's doing it.
Whoa.
Cameron, what are you doing?
Big fun.
Oops, I got some on the table. But that's okay, we'll clean it up. Hands on.
Cameron,
Oh,
what are you making?
a piece of slime.
What are you making?
A piece of slime.
I'm gonna eat my dinner. I'm gonna eat my dinner. I'm gonna eat my dinner. Put it in. Gotta take the top off. I want you to do it. Alright, I'll do it for Aiden. Alright, I have to shake this first.
Look at myself.
In your bowl.
Oh no!
In your bowl.
Ah.
Okay, well. You're gonna be a sign.
Oh! My finger! My finger!
Mixing?
What's happening?
Mix it.
It's getting stuck on my spoon.
Mm-hmm.
I'll mix it.
Thank you. Whoa! Cake better.
Oh.
Look at. Oh, I like when you do the contingent.
Oh. I'm gonna do it like this. Hey.
It looks like grain.
Done.
That's like ice cream. It looks like ice cream.
Okay.
My finger.
Stuck on my finger.
Hard.
So hard.
Mm.
I'll tell you something.
Mix, yeah. Mix, yeah. Shake, yeah. Shake, yeah. Mix, yeah. Shake it. Shake it.
Take my spoon out. Alright, let's take my spoon out and then take the slime out.
Use your fingers. Oh, God.
And so I'm here. Oh no, it's not slime.
Slime.
Mix it with your hands.
Okay, just let me get the rest of it out. Oh, can I put it right here?
Let me table.
Can't take it out. No, maybe.
No.
Mommy, look at my hand.
No, help me. Help me.
This is rice.
Help me.
I don't want
Me.
I don't want.
Why?
I don't like it.
Yeah.
It's very sticky.
How do we?
I don't want to play with it.
Oh, it's again. It's again.
Yeah, play with the slime.
But I need to mix the other part. I don't want to.
Pokey, pokey.
Mommy, look at my slime. It's not
Nice.
sticky.
You have to keep playing with it, that's why.
You want to play with this?
My finger.
Oh my God.
My finger.
Oh my God.
Nikki.
What?
Mommy, can you put a little bit more solution on mine?
My finger.
Wait, I want to try yours.
And it's very sticky.
Feel it. Mine isn't really sticky.
I'm not gonna feel because I'm gonna make it
I want to do
sticky.
this.
Yours
I'm going to put mine right here. Wait, are you going to make it more sticky? No, I just need to put a little bit more solution. So,
my slime getting fluffy. It's already fluffy. Now you can feel it.
watch this. That's cool. No,
Dad,
this is so fun. No, guys, watch this. It's
Dad, what's this?
Mickey, guys,
Oh, the blood.
make it like a pancake.
Oh, that's hard. Oh, no.
That's our lunch.
Andy, Mom, mouth, eyes, natural.
I'm making macaroni.
Natural fry.
Oh, shala.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, guys, watch. Watch this.
You didn't. Oh. Get watch out for Aiden. Oh. And watch out, mine. Can we go test it now?
We're gonna test if it glows in the dark. We're gonna test it and it glows in the dark.
Nice.
Come on, guys.
First time.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! No! Shut the door.
Yeah, shut the door.
Whoa!
Oh my god! Oh my gosh! It's so cool.
It actually worked.
I didn't think it was gonna work. We're allowed to bring it to school, but we just can't bring it to.
Open it. I want to bring this to school. Why you don't?
So how do you guys rate the glow-in-the-dark slime?
1,000. 1,000 ears. 1,000 ears.
Ears?
1,000 ears. I'll bring this everywhere I go.
Oh my.
I'm bringing it to school though. Yeah. Do they have their own
What are you doing?
Jan finds it under the table. Hi. It's an under table throwing party. Hey. I'm staying over here. Whoa, mine stretches so much.
So did mine.
So this one. Let's strap it in my head.
Okay, have fun.
3, 2.
No, I'm gonna count to 3. 3, 2, 1.
Shut the door. No.
Whoa. Tra-la-la.
Hello, mommy. I can see your face.
I guess Chaloco.
That's what I wanted.
Toilet. No, you're just gonna put it right there.
Whoa! Look what I made. Mine right here. Okay. Oh my God!
I made a sad face.
I didn't know.
Then I need the 2 eyeballs.
That was my face.
Then I need
Look, Aiden.
a mouth.
I see.
Look, watch this, guys. Look. Then I need the square box to protect her. Then, look, guys, watch this. Ready? Look, it's gonna vacuum something. Come on. No, guys. Pay attention. Dad, look, something's gonna happen to my slime. Whoa. Okay, so I'm gonna.
Who wants to do a bathroom trip? Come on, Kim.
slime blowing up.
Look, I made a poop. Look, I made a poop.
Ew. Oh, that's horrible. Who, me? No, mine. Look at my poo. It's all melted.
My poop is melted.
It's like a pretzel. It's like a no more. I want to do that again because Nikki did it really good. So.
Wait, guys, watch this.
It is it. Stop. Oh! I did it! Yeah!
Christina, I made a poo.
Oh, I just made a poop sound.
Guys, where did my slime go? I'm cooking it.
I want to roll it up. Gotta cook my slime.
Okay, mine's done.
There we go.
Only some of that. I open it. What's this?
Open it.
Yay!
Can I have this? So I can record you.
A little stuff here.
Let me see if I can take some. Upsy daisy.
Wow.
Upsy downsy, upsy down.
Get that home.
You can.
Yes, you can. Look, it does look like a train track.
Stuck in my hand. Great. Where's my rolling pin go?
Look. Cam has it.
Can you see mine? It's a little bit cold now because it was in frying pan. Alright, guys, I want to do something. Ready, guys?
Look,
And now we gotta listen. Alright, guys, ready? Look, okay?
Uba, I want to show you something.
Hello.
I agree.
Oh, that looks yummy.
Ready? Ready, Mom?
I'm ready.
And outside.
Can you eat my one? Hmm?
Okay, I'm gonna make some over here. One sec. I still need to make Daddy one. I still need to make Daddy one too.
Me and Nikki can be on Shark Tank.
No.
I love it.
Might need a little bit more space, but it's okay. Thank you, like, enjoy this. Oh yeah, like a bit
So
piece of my slime.
Bye.
Bye.
Say hope you had fun.
Hope